Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'd like to describe how to use magnetic stirrer with hot plate. So that is a magnetic stirrer with hot plate. There is another magnetic stirrer, that is a gallon shaped magnetic stirrer hot plate, and the voltage of this specific magnetic stirrer is 220 to 230 voltage and 50 hertz, and the electricity about 500 watt, and it maximum produce 400 degrees Celsius temperature, and the rotation is about 500 revolution per minute RPM. That indicates that revolution per minute. If you'd like to switch on, or if you'd like to on the switch of this specific magnetic stirrer, then you have to use this specific button, and here is another off heat. So there is a lots of value. If you'd like to use the temperature for your any kind of reaction according to your demand, then you can use this heat portion of this specific device. And this is the, you can say, another stirrer button. If you'd like to stir the magnet in the round bottle, then you can use this specific regulator to enrich the RPM, that means revolution per minute, according to your requirement. So that's the all about things. Right now I would like to show you practically. So that is a magnetic stirrer, and this portion, that is called, you can say, round bottle or RB bottle, and most of the organic reactions we complete in the internal portion of the RB bottle. And the inner portion, you are seeing that that is the white portion, white marble. That is a look like a marble, but it's not a marble, it's a magnet. And how to use this specific device for your complete organic reaction. If you'd like to start a reaction in the RB bottle, obviously you need a magnetic stirrer, so that the overall reaction between, you can say, starting material and different kinds of reagents occur properly. So at first I will use the electricity switch, and I will use from here, and after switching on the electricity button, I will use this button. That is another magnetic stirrer that I have already mentioned. So if you'd like to use this specific magnetic stirrer, then you have to use this specific button O1, and that is a, you can say, hot plate. When you'd like to use the temperature portion, then it will produce different temperature. If you'd like to continue your reaction in 10 degrees Celsius temperature, then obviously this regulator should be keeping this portion. If you'd like to increase the temperature about 30 degree or 40 degree, then obviously this arrow will align to this specific number. And that's the thing. But in our reactions there is no necessity to use the temperature, so we will keep the temperature in the 0 portion, so that or we can see in the lower portion it's a off. That means if you don't like to use temperature, then you will keep off. Along to the off, your arrow of this specific regulator will along to the off text. So that's the thing. Right now I will use this specific magnetic stirrer by pressing this specific portion. When I am using, then magnet is stirring spontaneously. You are seeing properly, and it is creating a sound, a noise. So if you'd like to decrease the overall rotation of this specific magnet bar, then you can use this specific regulator. And I would like to use this regulator. There is a arrow sign, and I will keep this arrow sign in the minimum so that the magnet bar rotate properly, not in a higher range, and our reaction will be proceed in a estimated range. So that's the thing. This is the way that I have already shown. After watching this kind of video, you will be able to use this specific device in your reaction.